Hi, I'm Hasleen and you're watching IndiaGlitz.com. The film is about these two daredevils who keep on making mistakes their entire, youth, their life, when they've just entered adulthood. They want to experiment with things in life. They've got this adrenaline rush within them, so they don't think twice before they do anything. So the film is all about the mistakes that they make, and I'm sure the audiences, once they look at the film, they'll be like, okay, every time they say game on, either when Preet says game on or Kabir says game on, they'll be like, oh my god, now what's going to happen? The audiences will have that reaction. My character in the film is Preet Sehota. She's an urban girl. She is like today's girl. She's very confident. She is a very strong headed, very strong opinionated girl who, when she enters college, उसका ये attitude होता है कि nobody can take पंगा with me. You can't take panga with me. In fact, if you try doing that, I'm going to pull your leg. So her first dare to Kabir is that go get a lap dance from this hot girl in college. And he is ready for challenges, he goes and gets it. So that's how Preet is. She doesn't take any nonsense from anyone. But as the film unfolds, you get to see a very soft side of Preet, you get to see a very vulnerable side of her, कि वो भी problems में पड़ सकती है. There are things that she's done, problems that she's been through. That is what will, I think, make audiences fall in love with her. And that's what makes Kabir fall in love with Preet also. I think now I can call myself an actor. When I did that teeny tiny role in Ravajkal, that was, I was pursuing modeling at that time. I was studying as well. So it was more like a modeling assignment, let's just give it a try. Okay, what's the harm in it? College holidays are going on, so there's no big deal. But I think I understood that I want to be an actor after I became Miss India, and that was 2011, and I wanted to sort of grow in the field of glamour. I wanted to, once they say you step into the field of glamour, you want to spread your wings even more and more. That's what I wanted to do. I took up acting classes in Delhi and Bombay, and I met a lot of people in Bombay, but I think somewhere down the line I wasn't ready to do some work, and some people were not ready to work with me at that point of time. I had to work on myself. And one fine day, Sunil Darshan sir called me and he's like, okay, we want to meet you. He didn't say koi audition hai, nothing. He said, okay, baat karni hai. I walked into the office like a jhalla. I didn't really dress up for an audition or do makeup, nothing. I met him and he's like, within 10 minutes, he's like, okay, let's sign papers. It was the best day ever. I think my stars were shining at that day. Preet and Hasleen are very similar. I'm from Delhi. Being from Delhi, an urban city girl, you're very confident. Your body language needs to be of the kind that you can't mess with me. Don't try and you take panga with me. You can't take me for a ride. That's how I am also in real life. But I think to my loved ones, I have a sweeter side for them. I will not be very strong and kind with them. I'll be very simple and sweet and soft with them. That's how Preet is also. It was very easy, but at the same time, it's not easy to display a range of emotions. Sometimes I had to cry in the film. Sometimes I had to be aggressive. Sometimes I had to beat up Kabir. He's done such bad things to me. Preet is angry and she has to show it even when it doesn't come that time. So to be able to display that, I think zoning into that emotion takes time. Challenging part for me was when I had to cry. There is this particular scene which has harmed me from my childhood to today, for Preet. And वो पूरा everything, that entire lifetime's sadness has to come out. It has to show like she's gone through a lot of turmoil in life. For me to display that emotion, I had to switch off. Had to start thinking of certain things. I gave the shot. It happened in 3 takes. But after that, it was difficult for me to snap out of it. Then I had to be happy for the next shot. I couldn't stop crying. First day of shoot was, I was very nervous. My hands, my knees, everything was shaking. I went on set. Even though I've been modeling, I've never been in a crew where everyone's looking at you, 150 people looking only at you. Technicians, crew members, production people, everybody. I had to do my shot. I remembered the lines, but my director Rajesh Pandey, He's a hard task master, but on the first day he was very lenient with me. He said, Hasleen, just be yourself. जो मन में आता है वो करो, जैसे लगता है सीन करना चाहिए करो. After the second or third take, when I felt I was going the right track, that's when I became confident. You know, I think as an actor, you just need the right break. You just need a break. You need to be able to prove yourself that in that. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो शाहरुख खान के साथ होना चाहिए या अमिताभ बच्चन जी के साथ होना चाहिए, सलमान खान के साथ होना चाहिए. It's not important. You need a platform where you can showcase your talent. That can be with anybody. Having said that, I don't think Shiv is anything any less than another superstar. I call him a superstar. When I meet him every day, I'm like, hey superstar, how's your day today? So I talk to him like that because I saw his pictures on Google before I met him, and he was really fat. And the day I met him, he's like this very chiseled and very good-looking personality and all of that. And I was very happy. I'm like, I'll be acting opposite this boy. Oh my God! I hope I'm straight. You know, I hope I'm proper. Both, both. I'm hungry for all success, every success possible. And as an actor also, there's a misconception that beauty queens can't act or models can't act. So I want to break that misconception because I know I've worked hard and I've tried to get into the skin of Preet. So I want people to notice that. I don't think I had any such criteria for Kar Le Pyar Kar Le because I just want to go all out and be faithful to my character. Preet. There were times where we were shooting, there were snakes all over. I went to the washroom and there was a snake. There was no washroom. There was a pit dug on the ground. You had to go do your everything there, and there was a snake there. I couldn't have run away from the place saying that it's not safe for me. I had to work. There are these. We had to swim with fishes, and while swimming with fishes, we again saw a snake in the water. But Shiv and I still gave the shot. We were shooting amongst tigers, where two tigers were fighting and almost like 2 feet away from us. But it's just all part of the game. You need to be open to all kinds of ideas, I think. Yeah, it's like a total risking film. Preet and Kabir and Hasleen and Shiv have risked everything. True. I think it's just a small ripple in an entire ocean. There's a lot more work to be done. But having said that, I've done an ocean's work in this film also. Honestly, I haven't really got the time to. There are some people who've spoken to me, who've asked me to come for another round of meeting, things that are going on, but until and unless I, sign, there's no point revealing anything. And also, those people who've called me, I want them to see the film on 17 Jan. Because just by seeing the promos, they can't see my acting. They should see the film. I'm very nervous. I'm very nervous. I'm shitting bricks right now. I don't get sleep. I wake up in the middle of the night. I'm very nervous. I just want people to, people are awestruck by stars. People don't take interest in newcomers that easily. I want them to understand that, we bring a new twist to acting as freshers, and we worked very, very hard. So I don't want people who go to screens, sometimes people come. I used to be like that. I watch a movie and I'm like, achhi nahi hai. So it takes a second, to say that. I don't want people to do that. It is possible in this industry. There are critics everywhere. Every step of yours is being watched. So I don't know what is going to happen. I just hope and pray to my God that people just see the positive side of me and don't try and ye acha nahi hai, wo acha nahi hai, and all of that. I don't want people to do that with me.